Today we're walking through Teal's Analyzer tool. You'll find the analyzer in the top toolbar of your resume builder. But you'll need to have your resume imported first, since the analyzer grades your resume against the issues it surfaces. The analyzer is available to Teal Plus users. It evaluates your resume across 3 pillars: resume structure, measurable results, and keyword usage. Your overall analyzer score is based on how well your resume performs in each of these areas. To walk you through how it works, I'll show you 3 example issues. The first issue is a resume structure flag, specifically professional summary length. Teal recommends keeping your professional summary between 300 and 350 characters. If you click Resolve manually, you'll be taken directly to your professional summary. In this example, the summary is at 245 characters, which is a bit short. Adding a brief introductory sentence brings it into the recommended range, and the issue is resolved. It's worth noting that the issues the analyzer surfaces are highly recommended based on resume best practices, but they are recommendations, not requirements. The goal is always a resume that's concise and impact-forward. The next issue flags the number of bullets under a job entry, in this case, the marketing director role. The analyzer recommends between 3 and 5 active bullets per position to keep content focused and ensure impact stays front and center. Clicking Resolve manually takes you to that section. Removing the extra bullets clears the issue immediately. The third pillar is measurable results. The analyzer looks for time-based statements and improvement metrics, and it provides examples directly in the interface to show you what qualifies. The analyzer uses a specific formula to recognize these, so it helps to know what patterns it's looking for. Examples of qualifying statements are increased profits 50% in 5 weeks, increased retention in 2023 by X%. If you click Resolve manually, you can choose to improve a bullet point using AI, which will often prompt you to add a time-based metric or improvement statement. Once you do, the issue is resolved and you're one step closer to a fully optimized resume.
Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.